Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the sound effects in the Brilliant application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it. And here in this page you should just click on the sound effects. And you can see that the sound effects in this case are activated, and if you want to deactivate them you can just press on it and you can see that right now the sound effects will be deactivated. If you want to activate it again you can just press on it once again and the sound effects are going to be activated now. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.